Hello, good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to our online mathematics class. So, let's open your math book, page number 73. Working with unlike fractions. Example 5. Compare 5 by 6 and 3 by 6. Both have same denominator, means these are like fractions. So in like fractions, greater the numerator, greater is the fraction. Greater the numerator, 5 and 3. Which numerator is greater? 5. So 5 by 6 is greater than 3 by 6. Example 6. Compare 2 by 7 and 2 by 9. Both have different denominator, but both have same numerator. So these are unlike fraction. So in unlike fraction with the same numerator, greater the denominator, smaller is the fraction. Greater the denominator, smaller is the fraction. Means 2 by 9 fraction is smaller, 2 by 7 fraction is greater. Suppose one more example I will give you. 4 by 2, 4 by 9. So greater the denominator is small, means 4 by 9 is small, 4 by 2 is greater. Okay. The next, converting unlike fraction into equivalent like fractions. How can you convert unlike fractions into like fractions? Example 2 by 3 and 3 by 5. 2 by 3 and 3 by 5. So these are unlike fraction. So now we have to convert into like fraction. So first you have to calculate the LCM of denominator. 3 into 5 is equal to 15. Then next, now you will write like this: 2 by 3 is equal to 2 into by 3 into is equal to 15 is your denominator. Okay, 15. Then 3 by 5 is equal to 3 into by 5 into is equal to your denominator is 15. So 3 5s are 15. This 5 here also you will multiply 5. 2 5s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 3 3s are 9. So both have same denominator. So these are like fractions. The next, comparison of unlike fractions. Compare means you have to identify or you have to find which one is greater and which one is smaller. Okay. Example 7. Compare 1 by 5 and 2 by 3. 1 by 5 and 2 by 3. So how can you compare which one is greater and which one is smaller? So first step, you have to calculate the LCM. 5 into 3 is equal to 15. 15 is your denominator. LCM is your denominator. Okay. Now you will write 1 by 5 is equal to 1 into by 5 into 15 is your denominator. Then 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is equal to 2 into by 3 into is equal to denominator is 15. So 5 3s are 15. 1 3s are 3. Then 3 5s are 15. 2 5s are 10. So 3 by 10 and 10 by 15. 3 by 15, 10 by 15. So both have same denominator. Now easy to identify which one is small and which one is greater. So in like fraction, greater the numerator is greater, yes or no? So 10 by 15 is greater than 3 by 15, or 10 by 15 means 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is greater than 3 by 15 means 1 by 5. 1 by 5. Okay. So example 8. Example 8, you see, compare 1 whole 2 by 5 and 1 whole 3 by 7. So these are mixed fraction. So your first step is you have to convert these mixed fraction or mixed number into improper fraction. Improper fractions. How can you convert? See, 5 into 1. 5 ones are 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2, 7 by 5. And this one also 7 into 1. 7 ones are 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 by 7. Then now you find the LCM of 5 and 7. 5 7 are 35. Then you write 7 by 5 is equal to 7 into by 5 into is equal to 35 is your denominator. Then 10 by 7. 10 by 7 is equal to 10 into 7 into is equal to 35 is your denominator. So 5 7 are 35. Here also you multiply the same number, 7 only. 7 7 are 49. 7 5 are 35. 10 5 are 50. So 49 by 35, 50 by 35. So 50 is greater. So 49 by 35 means 7 by 5. 7 by 5 is less than 10 by 7, or 10 by 7 is greater than 2 by 5. Okay. So like that, this example 9 also same process. First you have to find the LCM. Okay, same process you can apply. So today your homework is exercise 6.3. okay, thank you my dear students.